in the enchanting kingdom of Everdell. Nestled between rolling hills and sparkling streams, lived a curious little squirrel named Nutmeg. One day, as Nutmeg was gathering acorns in the ancient whispering woods, she stumbled upon a magical key hidden beneath a bed of golden leaves. Intrigued, Nutmeg embarked on a whimsical journey to unlock the secrets of the enchanted door that stood at the heart of the forest. Along the way, she befriended a wise old owl, a mischievous chipmunk, and a gentle deer, each possessing a unique gift that would aid Nutmeg in her quest. As the group faced challenges, encountered mystical creatures, and discovered the true meaning of friendship, they found themselves drawn into a heartwarming adventure, filled with laughter, courage, and the enchanting melody of the whispering woods. Together, Nutmeg and her newfound friends unlocked not only the mysterious door, but also the magic that had been hidden within their hearts all along, turning Everdell into a place where dreams blossomed like the petals of 1,000 enchanted flowers.